Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Expert Academy. I am Theodore, your teacher and guide on this journey to fluency. I'm so happy to see you here today. First, let me ask, how are you doing? I hope you are feeling energized and ready to practice. Today, we are focusing on a topic that many of you have requested, workplace English. Specifically, how to handle professional meetings. I know that for many learners, speaking up in a business setting can feel a bit scary. You might worry about interrupting or how to give your opinion politely. That is exactly why we are here. Today, we will use the shadowing technique. I am going to speak very slowly and clearly. I will repeat each phrase several times so you have plenty of space to listen and then repeat after me. This method is perfect for improving your pronunciation and building your confidence. We will cover everything from starting the agenda to asking questions and closing the meeting. Together, we will turn that workplace anxiety into professional strength. Are you ready? Let's get started. Starting a meeting and setting the agenda. Good morning and welcome, everyone. Good morning and welcome, everyone. This is a polite and friendly way to start. When you say this, you are acknowledging the people in the room or on the video call. It shows you are ready to begin the conversation in a positive way. Now you repeat. Good morning and welcome, everyone. Good morning and welcome, everyone. Perfect. Here is the next one. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you all for joining us today. In a professional setting, it is important to thank people for their time. This phrase shows that you appreciate your coworkers or clients for being present at the meeting. Repeat after me. Thank you all for joining us today. Thank you all for joining us today. Great job! Let's continue. I would like to start the meeting now. I would like to start the meeting now. When it is time to stop chatting and begin the work, use this phrase. It is a clear signal to everyone that the official business is starting. It helps you take control of the room. Now it's your turn. I would like to start the meeting now. I would like to start the meeting now. Excellent. Moving on to the next sentence. Today, we have a very busy agenda. Today, we have a very busy agenda. An agenda is simply the list of things you need to talk about. Saying it is busy means there are many topics to cover, so everyone needs to stay focused. Repeat out loud. Today, we have a very busy agenda. Today, we have a very busy agenda. You are doing great. Here is number 5. Please take a look at the handout. Please take a look at the handout. A handout is a paper or a digital document with information. Use this phrase when you want everyone to focus on the same document or list of points during the meeting. Now you repeat. Please take a look at the handout. Please take a look at the handout. Wonderful. Let's look at the next one. Our main goal today is to find a solution. Our main goal today is to find a solution. Every meeting has a goal or a reason for happening. This phrase tells everyone exactly why they are there. It keeps the conversation moving in the right direction. Repeat after me. Our main goal today is to find a solution. Our main goal today is to find a solution. Keep it up. Here is the last one for this section. Let's dive right into the first point. Let's dive right into the first point. To dive into something means to start it immediately and with energy. Use this when you want to stop the introduction and start talking about the first item on your list. Now it's your turn. Let's dive right into the first point. Let's dive right into the first point. Excellent progress. Now let's move on to the next set of phrases. These are very important for any professional. We will practice asking for clarification and politely disagreeing. Remember, it is okay to ask questions or have a different opinion if you use these polite phrases. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? This is the most helpful phrase you can learn. If someone speaks too fast or if you did not hear them correctly, just ask them to say it again. It is very common and very professional. Now it's your turn. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Perfect. Here is the next one. I am sorry, I do not understand. I am sorry, I do not understand. Don't be afraid to say this. It is much better to be honest than to be confused. This phrase tells your coworkers that you need a bit more help to follow the conversation. Repeat after me. I am sorry, I do not understand. I am sorry, I do not understand. Great job. Let's try the next one. Could you walk me through that again? Could you walk me through that again? To walk through something means to explain it step by step. Use this when a topic is complicated and you want the person to explain it slowly from the beginning. Repeat out loud. Could you walk me through that again? Could you walk me through that again? You are doing amazing. Let's look at sentence 11. I see your point, but I disagree. I see your point, but I disagree. This is a very polite way to show you have a different idea. I see your point means you understand what they said, and but I disagree means you think something else is better. Now you repeat. I see your point, but I disagree. I see your point, but I disagree. Excellent. Here is another way to say it. I am not sure that is correct. I am not sure that is correct. If you think there is a mistake, use this phrase. It is softer and more polite than saying, you are wrong. It opens a door for a calm discussion about the facts. Give it a try. I am not sure that is correct. I am not sure that is correct. Wonderful. Let's try the next one. Can you explain this part one more time? Can you explain this part one more time? Sometimes you understand the big picture, but get lost on one small detail. Use this to focus on the specific part that is confusing you. Now it's your turn. Can you explain this part one more time? Can you explain this part one more time? Great work. Here is the last one for this section. I have a different opinion on this. I have a different opinion on this. This is a clear, professional way to share your own thoughts. It shows you are confident and that you want to contribute your own ideas to the team. Repeat after me. I have a different opinion on this. I have a different opinion on this. You are doing an incredible job. We are almost finished. Let's look at the final 7 sentences. These focus on action items and wrapping up. This part is essential because it ensures everyone knows what to do after the meeting ends. Let's summarize our action items. Let's summarize our action items. Action items are the specific tasks that people must complete after the meeting. Summarizing them means listing them quickly so everyone remembers their jobs. Now you repeat. Let's summarize our action items. Let's summarize our action items. Perfect. Here is the next one. Who is responsible for this task? Who is responsible for this task? In a meeting, we need to know who will do the work. This question helps assign a job to a specific person so nothing is forgotten. Repeat after me. Who is responsible for this task? Who is responsible for this task? Great job. Let's continue.
I will send an email with the notes. I will send an email with the notes. It is very helpful to have a written record of what happened. Use this phrase to tell your team that you will share the important information later. Now it's your turn. I will send an email with the notes. I will send an email with the notes. Excellent. Moving on to sentence 18. Does anyone have any final questions? Does anyone have any final questions? Before you finish, you must check if everyone understands. This gives your coworkers one last chance to ask for help or clarification. Repeat out loud. Does anyone have any final questions? Does anyone have any final questions? You are doing great. Here is number 19. Let's circle back to this on Friday. Let's circle back to this on Friday. To circle back means to talk about a topic again at a later time. Use this if you don't have enough time to finish a discussion today. Now you repeat. Let's circle back to this on Friday. Let's circle back to this on Friday. Wonderful. Let's look at the next one. Thank you all for your hard work today. Thank you all for your hard work today. This is a kind way to show appreciation to your team. It ends the meeting on a very positive and professional note. Repeat after me. Thank you all for your hard work today. Thank you all for your hard work today. Keep it up. Here is the very last one. That is all for today's meeting. That is all for today's meeting. This phrase clearly signals that the meeting is officially over. It tells everyone they are free to leave and go back to their other tasks. Now it's your turn. That is all for today's meeting. That is all for today's meeting.
You did it! You have reached the very end of today's lesson. I want to give you a big round of applause because practicing English out loud is not easy, but you did an amazing job. It is truly rewarding to see your progress and to know that you are taking these steps to improve your professional life. Shadowing is a powerful tool, and by repeating these phrases today, you have built more confidence for your next workplace meeting. I am so proud of your hard work and dedication to learning this language. Thank you so much for joining me here at the English Expert Academy. If you found this lesson helpful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new video. Also, please share this video with your friends or coworkers who are also studying English. Your support helps us grow and help more students like you. Thank you once again for your time and effort. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.